According to the Harvard Business Review, on average we experience about 40 to 48 unimportant distractions during our workday. Let's use a new macOS feature to significantly reduce or hopefully completely eliminate these. Oh, and by the way, my name is Z. Welcome to the Enhanced CEO channel. Here you're going to find videos about self-improvement and productivity. Let's get right into this one. So, what is this feature and how does it work? Well, the feature is called Focus, and it works like a customized Do Not Disturb. It's only available on the latest version of macOS, and that's macOS Monterey at the time of this video. And you can access it easily by clicking on the Control Center in the top right, going to Focus, and then clicking on Focus Preferences. Another way you can easily access it is anywhere in your settings. You can go to the search bar and start typing Notifications and Focus. And once you open that up, you'll find we end up at the same screen. They have a few pre-built ones, but I like to sort of make it custom. And what I'm going to do here is I'll just click on the bottom left, Custom, and then I'm going to make this one for coding. Here I'll give it a nice little orange color if I like, and a symbol. And there we go, we have our coding focus. You'll see here we can easily toggle it on and off. And you can also toggle it on and off in the control center up here. When you see it highlighted, it's on. When it's not, it's off. Thankfully, we won't have to use that much because there are a lot of really great ways to automate this feature. So here, let's get started on how to use it. Here you'll see allowed notifications from, and what you can do is it's basically, like I said, the customized Do Not Disturb. So you can allow certain people through this Do Not Disturb. For example, I'm going to add this super important contact, and now when I receive now I have an email, a phone number attached to this contact. So when I receive any calls, texts, or emails from this contact, it will still push through regardless of my focus. You can add as many people as you like, maybe your boss, coworkers, etc. Or maybe your coworkers use an app like Slack. So you can go over to this app section and you can add apps. So you could add Slack, for example. There we go. And there we have it. Now, obviously, you will get all notifications from Slack at this moment, but if you want to customize those, you can obviously change that in your Slack settings. Now, further down here, you're going to see we have the best part of this, which is turn on automatically. You'll see here is there's a few different ways we can automate this. One of these is based on time, right? So maybe you're working 9 to 5, so you could put that in there. Maybe you take a lunch break at 2:30 or something. So you could add that there, and you could add another automation from 3 to 5. Here you can customize the days and all that good stuff. Another way you can automate it is based on location. So maybe if you work at a specific location, you could type in that location here, and it would pop up. This is not where I work, but you get the point. Third one is apps. So this is what I find to be a super cool feature. For example, in this coding focus, I might be using Visual Studio Code. So when I have this app open, I probably want to be in this coding focus. Pretty cool feature, and that's sort of how we can automate it. Getting into more of the advanced parts of this is, you'll see here at the bottom, it says share focus status. What this is going to do is those people who are not in your allowed notifications from, if they have iMessage, they're going to be able to see a short prompt if they send you a message that simply says that you have notifications turned off right now. And it'll give them the option to push that notification through anyways to your phone. Now, I like to keep this off because I feel like all the people that I would have in my allowed notifications from are all the notifications I need anyways. And if it was something urgent, I would probably get a call. Over here, you'll see a little options tab, and I'm going to click this. And you'll see here we have a few more options that I think are pretty useful. First one is allow time-sensitive notifications. I actually like to keep this one off. I think that apps like to abuse this feature a lot, so I think that it's very good to keep it off to minimize those distractions. The second one is allow calls from. You'll see that you can allow it from certain groups, such as your favorite contacts, everyone in your contact book, or anybody with a phone number. Depending on your career, this might be very useful to have on. The third one is allow repeated calls. And this basically means that if somebody calls you multiple times within 3 minutes, it's going to push that second call through to you, because hopefully nobody is calling you multiple times within 3 minutes unless it's something very urgent or important. You'll see down here we have some more features in the bottom left, and this is the very last one that I think is pretty important to keep on. You'll see share across devices. Now, I think this is very valuable because a lot of our notifications I find come from my phone. So I like this to be synced with my phone, or maybe if you have an Apple Watch, sync with that as well. So that way, you'll only see those notifications on your phone from this super important contact or apps such as Slack, or you can add, if you have more apps on your phone, you can add those here as well from your phone settings.
Another really useful tool can be found inside of your phone settings under your Focus name. You can see there's an option for home screen. You can select that and then select hide notification badges, which will help further remove the temptation of getting off track when you have to use your phone.
Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to the video. If y'all found some value out of this video, please do hit that like and subscribe for more productivity and self-improvement content. For those interested in taking their productivity to the next level, I offer coaching services through my website, enhancedceo.com. This is where we use a variety of strategies such as time optimization, micro goal setting, as well as supplementation to take your productivity to the next level. With that said, you can find that at enhancedceo.com or in the link in the description below. And I hope everybody has a great rest of your day.